A lot of people don't like the idea of camping because it can feel uncomfortable. The thought of being outside without the things we're used to in daily life isn't for everyone, and that's understandable. But now, camping has become easier than before. There are now many new tools that can help. Let's explore some cool gadgets that can make camping more enjoyable for all. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tap the bell button so you won't miss any of our videos. First on the list is the Tranendrief. It looks amazing and feels like a piece of art. It hangs from trees and looks like an upside-down balloon. When put together, the floor is much stronger than it seems. The frame is made of strong metal, so it's really tough. Inside, it's just big enough for one person to relax comfortably. Strong steel ties hold it up to a tree. It gives full privacy and is insulated to keep you warm during cold weather. This is a great choice for people who like camping alone or want some quiet time outdoors. Next is the Swiss Room Box, a small motorhome that fits into most cars. It took 8 years to create, and it makes camping a lot easier. Once you reach your campsite, you just unfold it, and in minutes, your car becomes a camper. It has useful features like a stove with a gas line, a sink with water, and a table. It even comes with chairs, making it great for families or friends who enjoy camping together. It's amazing how you can bring all these things right in your car. Plus, it includes pull-out beds for sleeping. This compact setup has everything you need for a fun and easy camping experience. Next, we have the Frontier Plus, a lightweight and sturdy wood-burning stove that is easy to carry. It's great for small homes, tents, or sheds. If you enjoy being in nature but want to travel light, this stove is just right for you. It can fit into your backpack without adding much weight. You can use both wood and coal, and it's safe to use inside your tent. To set it up, simply unfold the legs and secure them with a pin. You won't have to worry about smoke filling your tent since it has a small chimney to keep the air fresh. Once the fire is lit, just close the door, and you're good to go. Having a fire in the woods has never been this simple or safe. Plus, it's affordable, making the Frontier Plus a smart option if you're trying to save money. Next up is the Quite Light Quick Cabin, a modern and lightweight cabin that's easy to put together. Assembling it is really straightforward. Anyone can do it alone without help. You just need a screwdriver. After you attach the sides, secure everything at the top and bottom, and you're done. The materials are treated to protect against sun damage so that this cabin will last a long time. If you need more room, you can get 2 extension kits that add extra space. The windows are made from strong, shatter-resistant acrylic, which means they will last too. Fireflow fire pits and grills are the ideal addition for camping trips or backyard cookouts. They work as both a fire pit and a grill, so you only need to bring one item instead of 2. It's also so simple to set up. Just add the coals, place the lid on top, and you're ready to grill. Changing between the 2 uses takes just seconds. There's also a smaller version called the Fireflow Spark, which operates the same way but takes up less room. Each one has a beautiful design and is made with high-quality materials. Plus, they come with a 5-year warranty. If you're not happy, you can get your money back. If you love being outdoors, the Fireflow fire pit is a must-have that will make things easier for you. Next on the list is the Galvano Fast Pitch Instant Tent, which is great for camping trips, festivals, or any outdoor fun. This tent offers amazing comfort and is very easy to set up. You can have it ready in under a minute. To set it up, just take off the elastic strap that holds it together, and it will automatically pop open. Then, secure it to the ground with pegs to keep it stable. Once it's up, the tent provides plenty of space and comfort. It's made with strong fiberglass poles and is safe against fire so that you can relax without worry. The tent also has a removable roof panel and ventilation options. After a long day of hiking, you can lie back and enjoy the night sky. Meet the Click Chair, a stable and comfortable seat that's very easy to carry, making it great for camping and hiking. It folds down to the size of a water bottle, allowing you to bring up to 6 chairs with you on your trips. Unlike other chairs, the Click Chair can be set up in just seconds and has a straightforward design. Whether you're at a concert, camping, or having a barbecue, you'll always have a reliable chair with you. It weighs only 3 pounds, but can support up to 100 times its weight while remaining steady. Made from quick-drying, tough nylon and with a rust-proof aluminum frame, it can handle all kinds of weather. Plus, it has a lifetime guarantee, so you can be sure it will last and not wear out over time. Many people hesitate to go camping because they worry about not being able to charge their phones. With the Flame Cube, you can put those worries aside. This handy device lets you charge your phone while you cook by turning the fire into electricity. It not only keeps your fire contained, but also helps it last longer. All you need are a few twigs to get it going, and the Flame Cube will change the fire into power. It also features dual fans that bring in fresh air to help the fire burn better. Setting it up is easy. You just unfold it and pull out the flaps. It works well in any weather or time of day. It makes camping much simpler and stress-free. The last item on our list is the InstaPinch, a small, lightweight, and easy-to-carry toilet system that can help reduce your worries about using the restroom outdoors. It includes a sturdy chair that folds up when not in use and a hands-free privacy shelter, all packed into one simple kit. This kit also comes with toilet seat covers, waste bags, hand sanitizer, and a trowel. Unlike other portable shelters that can take 10 to 15 minutes to set up, the InstaPinch is ready to go in just 30 seconds. Plus, it only weighs 3 pounds. It's ideal for camping trips, road journeys, boating, or rafting, and it's especially useful for families with young kids who might forget to use the bathroom before leaving home. With InstaPinch, you can feel comfortable about going to the bathroom in the woods, making it feel almost like being at home. Do you want to buy any of these cool camping gadgets? Which one do you think is a must-have on any outdoor trip? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification button so you won't miss any of our videos.